Today I bought a van, a Ford van, an 89 Ford van. She's loaded a little bit crooked on the trailer, but there were several reasons why. But for $300, not a bad deal at all. All is going well so far. First day with our 89 Ford van. We're about halfway to the house with it. We'll get her unloaded and get a good look at it. Well, we got it home with no harm done. Let's look it over real quick. The primary problem that the seller told me about, well, it's been sitting a long time, and the reason they quit messing with it is because the column is messed up. All of this material for the key is missing, so I'm gonna have to rework that stuff, see about getting it going. Has an old-fashioned cassette tape player in it. Not sure on the actual miles. Obviously over 100,000. Power windows and door locks. This panel's not bad. The door panels aren't bad, but the seats are kind of ratty. I'll have to look into that. The interior is kind of interesting looking. Lorraine Motor Coach. My sister's name's Lorraine, but not spelled the same way. Let's check it out. How much oil it has in it. Come on. Got it. Thing's a mile long, it seems like. It's shaking. Not bad. It has oil, and it doesn't look black, so that's a good thing. When we were loading it on the trailer, the brakes, the pedal wouldn't even go down. All of a sudden it popped. So something went wrong inside the master cylinder, I'm sure, because I didn't see any leakage on any of the wheel cylinders or the calipers. Now, where's the dipstick for the transmission? Where did it go? Oh, there it is, way down in the hole. Let's get this out. There it is. Let's see what the transmission fluid smells like. No, don't smell great. Kind of got that burnt clutch smell to it. Well, wish me luck with that. But it does have fluid, so that's an encouraging sign. That's good enough for now. All right, I'm gonna leave that open. Tires were all flat. Fold that in so I don't bash into it as I'm moving around it. The dash is not cracked anywhere. That's good. The little wooden console is all there. There's a little lube. That's ugly. That can be recovered though. Wonder if that jack works. Seats are kind of messed up a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna take these seats out though. We're gonna take these seats out, and we'll look into that fold out couch and see if we can use that. And we're just gonna set it up for, you know, some road traveling. See how that goes. Let's see what's going on in the back here. How about this door? Where is that? There it is. Uh-oh. Well, that's not going to open. That'll need some attention. No dents except for this door. It's got a dent in it. Goodness. I think it's down here, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so that opens up nicely. Yeah, we'll just have to work it over. Oh, that's lovely. Well, they used it. Hopefully we can fold this down. Maybe it has rear air, or at least rear heat. Maybe. We'll see. The ladder's tweaked, so we'll get that off of there, because that's just an ugly thing if it's been up. Someone needs to find me a new door. And probably take that thing off too, because something's not right with that. I don't know what. Looks like the roof rack was an antenna also for a TV maybe. Anyway, got a little dent right here. We'll work it out. I kind of like it. We got to clean it up. But this is day one with the Ford van. Got dual tanks. That may or may not be a problem. We'll have to see. But I'm kind of excited about it. Wonder how long it's going to take the tires to go flat after it's been sitting for so long. Hasn't been registered since 2011, so 9 years. It's been sitting for 9 years at least. 8 or 9 years. Alright. Well, follow my channel for progress on this thing. It's going to take a little while, but I guess the very next thing I'll do to it, or the very first thing I do, is to work on that steering column. Tilt column. Still works. Yeah, but I got to get in there pretty deep. Alright, let me put it in park, as if it's going to roll away or something. Alright, thanks for watching my channel. I'm going to upload some pictures, so they're going to be at the end of this video. Like I say, follow me, and we'll work on it.